Many desserts have over 400 calories per slice, but this entire dessert has just 318 calories. And the best part? You only need yogurt, eggs, and a bit of sweetness for this fluffy, delicate yogurt cheesecake that's both healthy and delicious. Start by separating 2 eggs into whites and yolks. Did you know egg yolks are packed with vitamins, while egg whites are a great source of protein? Add creamy Greek yogurt to the yolks, sprinkle in a pinch of salt, and sweeten to taste. I personally prefer dried stevia for those charming little specks it adds. Honey, liquid sweeteners, or sugar also work wonderfully. For an extra fluffy texture, gently mix in 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Blend this mixture until it's smooth and creamy. Next, whisk your egg whites into fluffy peaks. This is key for the dessert's airy texture. Gently fold the whites into your yogurt yolk mixture, carefully preserving the lightness. Lightly grease your baking pan. I love using coconut oil applied with a paper towel for even coverage without extra calories. Pour the mixture gently into your pan and bake at a gentle heat, 320 degrees Fahrenheit, not higher, for 40 minutes. Watch it puff up beautifully and don't worry when it gently settles back down. This is totally normal and part of its charm. This airy yogurt dessert is perfect any day. Simple ingredients, quick preparation, and amazing nutritional balance. I recently posted an apple cake recipe that many of you enjoyed. If you're interested, check that out too. Now tell me, what's your go-to quick and tasty dessert to pair with coffee? Your healthy sweet tooth friend, Karina.